At the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, our partners span the globe. But Washington State is our home. For us, home means more than four walls and a roof. It means showing up for each other when it matters the most. And that's why we're committed to making our home just, equitable, and safe for all. We recognize that the hardships brought on by the virus are not distributed equally. That's why, for the first time in the history of the Gates Foundation, we brought our public health work home to the United States, leaning on a network of community foundations across the state to deliver immediate help with basic needs like food, childcare, and making rent.
Without the support of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Seattle Foundation would not have been able to create the COVID-19 Response Fund, really the first fund of its kind in the country, squarely centering on racial equity and lifting up the voices of the communities most impacted by this unprecedented set of crises.
For students who are striving to achieve their dreams, and for schools that are evolving to deliver more equitable opportunities, we are investing in tools and resources that support better teaching and learning, whether it's online or in person.
Our district serves over 18,000 students, and many of our students come from families that are struggling just to make ends meet. And as many of you know, this pandemic has highlighted many inequities, and the challenge of distance learning is an additional hurdle in already tough times.
For children and families experiencing homelessness, our work shows up as a better chance at getting and staying housed. And when the pandemic hit, we sent in extra support to meet the needs of people who can't quarantine because they have nowhere to go.
Every day, we are beside women, children, and families as they journey out of homelessness and move to healthy and stable housing. No one's child should sleep outside.
Over the last 20 years, we have invested more than $3.2 billion in our home state. Together with community-based organizations, nonprofits, state and local government, we are working to change the systems that perpetuate homelessness, poverty, racism, and educational injustice.
We are invested in Washington State because it's the place where we build our communities, raise our families, and lay our heads at night. It's the place we call home.